Let me know if you have any questions though, because we were having this good conversation and then I cooked the server on accident. Thank you. It might be done too. Like you might be working in the background. I'm not sure. So just look into this, because she might still work, right? Because if she's still working on things, I'm gonna give her a little bit of time. Yeah, so check that first off. See if you might be done with it already. Essentially, I broke the pipe to the server, and that happens a lot. I be piping so hard. I get that response a lot. I break it a lot. So yeah, just go ahead and look into that for me. See if it's done yet or what's going on. See what Gucci do. I need to see what's going on with my bird eye as well before I get into this bird eye check. So let's go to bird eye. Usage. Damn, dude. My usage is so damn high, bro. 25th. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing these same industry Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion in. These are real people, real profits, hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. Moondev.com/Discord. Message anyone. Ask them yourself. Maybe make a friend.